Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this result. Based on request, I've decided to come up with this tutorial. Although we have two methods of achieving this, but I'm going to use this, which is the simplest method and is beginner friendly, but always have the same look or finish. Without further delay, we're going to jump right into the lesson. So this is my fabric. It's unfold already, and there are two pieces. Have you seen? They are unfold. So you have to watch carefully without skipping any part of it so that you don't miss out. Because if you skip any part of it, the result will not be the same. Make sure if you haven't subscribed and you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and share. If you want my notification, turn on your notification button. I'll get you in touch each time I upload a new video. So after drawing the start line, I'm going to confirm my measurements. That is 21 for the total, the width and the length that is folded into 2, and that is 19 inches. So I'll be measuring my head circumference. Have you seen? My head circumference, and I will mark an additional 1 inches to my head circumference. 1 inches to my head circumference, and I'll add the sewing allowance of half of an inch. So after doing that, I'm going to be proceeding into measuring the total I have, and I will take it up so that I'll be able to roll a straight line from that point. After rolling my straight line, I'm going to be checking the height of what I want, but before then, from here I'm going up by 3 inches. 3 inches. Have you seen? So now I'll use my French curve to connect it just like you've seen. I'll roll that line to that point. Kindly like this video and share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So now that I'm done, I'll be taking the height of the neck, how I want it to be. So just like seeing, this one falls more than the first one I made that brought about this request. You can make it depending on your preference. So I'm going to take the measurement all through like that from the line I have drawn, the curved line I have drawn. So you can decide to make it 13, 12 or thereabout. There is no specific measurement for it. So I will connect it, and this is what we have. And I will measure out by 4 an inch, and the sewing allowance will be added, and I will connect it. The 4 an inch is not like a static. You can use 3.5, 5 inches. So, and I cut it out just this way. This is what we have there. So the sewing process. So now that I have cut it, I didn't gum anything. So in most cases, depending on the fabric or the shape I want, I gum it with an hairstay. So I'm going to put it this way, and I will sew it by half of an inch or whichever sewing allowance that you have. I have to sew the 2 pieces separately, and after sewing it, I open press it, and this is what I have. I've open pressed it inside. This is what I have. So I will be turning it to the wrong side, and so that I can be able to attach the 2 together, the right side to right side with the seam at the same point. Now I'll be using an hemming gum so that it will help me when I'm pressing it to make it stay together. So I'll put the hemming gum throughout. Kindly share this video, share it. Make sure if there's any question, drop it below the comment section. I'll be right there to answer. So now that I'm done, have you seen? So I'll be turning it to the right side. This is what we have, and I will turn it completely to the right side. So after turning it to the right side, I will look for the seam, the seam where I sewed it, and look at how I placed it. Watch carefully, and I will match the right side to the right side, turning it in this direction. Hope you watched very well. If you didn't get, kindly replay it to get it very well. So, and I will put hemming gum as well. This is where the problem lies. That's why you have to watch carefully without skipping any part of it. So, because the thing now is like turning it the other way around. So while I do it, here is some of my videos that you would like to watch. Kindly go to my playlist and watch them. Let me display them on the screen for you while we proceed. So that is that. They are laced fabric with beads. So you can watch the process. So after sewing it, I have to pull it out to see where it's left. And what do I have here? I have an opening here that is really big, so I would like to close it a bit, so to be left like 2 inches or 1/3 opening, just like it's done on a waistcoat. Have you seen? So I'll be turning it from there, from the wrong side to the right side. So when I'm done turning it, I will just go to my table and make sure I press them this way. Have you seen? I will join it like this and press round the seam, and I will press the other side of the seam. Have you seen? So that will be all after pressing them. So this is how the neck is going to look like. Just like I have said, the one on my right is the small neck that I decided to use that measurement, and this is how it looks when you are done. Let me show you how to be able to put it on. So this is what you will have after doing everything. Have you seen? This is the shape of what you will have. This is it. And the downside that I first marked with the curve will be under the neck. Like, have you seen? So you put it on. Thank you for watching. That is how it is. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification for more updates. Bye.